Hello everyone. I hope everybody is doing great. Myself, I'm Alekia. Today, we're going to discuss some basics of trigonometry which would be useful for 10th and intermediate as well. So without making any delay, let's get started. Here, the name itself will provide some information. So what is it? Tri. Tri means 3. Gon means sides. And metron means measure. So now, which shape will have 3 sides? Triangle, right? But in trigonometry, especially, we'll be using right angle triangle. One of the angle will be 90 degrees. I guess everyone will be aware of this. Okay. One of it is 90. Then what about A and C called? Those are acute angles. Let me name it as theta. Either I can take theta here or here. Okay. So what is this trigonometry? Trigonometry, it is nothing but it is a branch of mathematics which will provide a relation between sides and angles of a triangle. Okay. It provides relation between sides and angles of triangle. Okay. Yes. So now looking at right angle triangle, you have to remember one theorem. Theorem is nothing but Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. What does the Pythagoras theorem state as? Hypotenuse square. And let me tell you, this is called hypotenuse, and if at all this is angle, this is called opposite, just opposite. Okay, this is called adjacent. Okay, this is hypotenuse, this is opposite, and this is adjacent. Okay, what is the Pythagoras theorem status? Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. It means opposite square plus adjacent square. Okay, so let me name it. So AC square is same as AB square plus BC square. This is nothing but Pythagoras theorem, which is very important to solve the problems. Now this terminology, I mean opposite and adjacent, is used for intermediate. Now let me tell you what is the terminology used for CBSE 10th. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. Let me name it as ABC. This is hypotenuse, which is same, and this is called base. Base. And this is called perpendicular. Okay, only this terminology is different, the rest all is same. This is called perpendicular, and this is called base, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, cleared so far? Now, what is this trigonometry, ma'am? Why we have to learn trigonometry? Trigonometry is used to find the height of Mount Everest. Can we go up and measure? No. So, we will be using trigonometry only. We're gonna find the height of Mount Everest, and we will even find the height of tides in ocean. So this trigonometry basically used in oceanography to find the heights of tides. Okay. Yes. So now let's learn some trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Now here comes your favorite, that is sine theta. Then we have cos theta, sine by cos. Okay, sine theta by cos theta, which is equals to tan theta. Okay, we have sine theta, cos theta, sine by cos will give you tan theta. Then reciprocal of sine, 1 by sine will give you cosec theta. Okay, 1 by cos will give you sec theta, and 1 by tan will give you cot theta. Okay, now look at this figure. can either name it as opposite. This is, you can all can call it as adjacent also. Okay, what is sine theta? Sine theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. What is cos theta then? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Next, what is tan? You can observe, no, sine by cos. By cos. If I do this by, hypotenuse and hypotenuse will get cancelled. I'll be left with only opposite by adjacent. Okay, as we discussed earlier, what is sine? What is cosec? 1 by sine. Just reciprocally. You will get hypotenuse by opposite will give you cosec. Sec. Simple. Hypotenuse by adjacent. What is cot then? Just reciprocal it. You will get adjacent by opposite is equals to cot theta. Okay, cot theta, even you can write in some other notation. What is it? You can even write it as cot theta is also same as cos by sine. Right? Sine by cos will give you tan. Cos by sine will give you cot. Okay, clear so far? We discussed what is the actual, the name of this trigonometry and what is trigonometry. We have discussed Pythagoras theorem, then trigonometric ratios, and we have discussed some applications of trigonometry as well. Okay, now let us go through trigonometric table. All will be asking me like, ma'am, can you tell me any trick so that I can remember it easily. So let me reveal that trick today. Let me take it as theta 0. This is 30 degrees. This is 45. Then we have 60 degrees. Then we have 90 degrees. So this is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, then we have cot theta. Okay, so let me tell you an easy way to remember it. Just write down 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Divide it by 4. So what's the answer? When you will get, this is nothing but 0, this is nothing but 1 by 4, this is 1 by 2, this is 3 by 4 and this is 1. Add a root to it. Under root 0 is 0 only, under root 1 is 1, under root 4 is 2. Okay, under root 1 is 1, under root 2 is root 2 only, under root 3, under root 4 is 2. Now under root 1 is 1. So this is nothing but it's a value of sine. Okay, sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Okay, now for cos, just write it from reverse. Cos 0 is same as sine 90. Just write from reverse. Okay, so cos 30 will give you root 3 by 2, and just remember it. Cos 45 is same as sine 45. Next, cos 60 is half, cos 90 is 0. Now tan, as we discussed earlier, tan is nothing but sine by cos. Okay, if you do by, you're gonna get tan values. So 0 by 1 will give you 0. Now 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. You will be left with 1 by root 3. Now same, no, everything will get cancelled. You will be left with only 1. Now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. You will be left with root 3. 1 by 0 is not defined. You can either write it as infinity. Okay. What is cosec? Cosec is nothing but 1 by sine. Okay. 1 by 0 is not defined. Now reciprocal it. It will be 2. This would be root 2. This would be root 2 by root 3. And this is 1 by 1 is 1 only. Okay. Now what is sec? Sec, when do you get? When you reciprocal cos. So 1 by 1 is 1 only. So this 2 by root 3. And this will become root 2. This will become 2. and this would be not defined. Now cot is not defined. This would become root 3 and 1 by 1 is 1 only. This would become 1 by root 3 and this would be 0. Okay, clear? 0 by 1 is simply 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. Okay, clear so far? So yes, trigonometric table is ready. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Just go through it. If at all, if you forget the first one, if you know, you can write the rest. For remembering the first, I have just revealed an easy trick for you all. You can, if at all, if you remember this trick, you can write the table easily. Okay, now let's learn some trigonometric identities. So basically we'll be having three main identities. It's nothing but first one is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay, the other one is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. The other formula is cot square theta minus cosec square theta is equals to 1. Okay. Now, if at all one value is given for sine, you need to find the cos. So what will you do is simply keep sine value towards left and send cos towards right. So it is in plus. If at all, if you send right hand side RHS, it will become minus. So 1 minus cos square theta. In other case, if you know the value of cos, writing in terms of cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, clear so far? This is the identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. I am rewriting it in such a way like sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. Now, what is sec square theta is equals to nothing but 1 plus tan square theta. Excuse me, because minus, if at all, if it goes to right side, it will become plus. Okay, now writing in terms of tan, let me use this only. So tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. Got it? I'm just sending this one to left hand side. So that I'll be left with only tan square theta. So tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. Now cot square theta, tell me. Cot square theta is equals to 1 plus cosec square theta. The other formula is nothing but cosec square theta is equals to cot square theta minus 1. Clear? So basically we have three identities. 1, 2 and 3. Using these identities we would solve the sums. And okay, let us discuss one sum. Suppose if sine C is equals to 15 by 17, then we need to find cos C. Okay, so let me tell you two methods. I'll tell you two methods today. You can use whichever you want. Okay, solution. Given sine C is equals to 15 by 17. Let me use Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, immediately right angle triangle, right? So C is given. This is A, this is B, this is sine C. Okay, from sine C I have to see what is the formula of sine. What did we discuss? It's nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse value is 17, opposite value is 15. Here this value is missing. We need to find this. How are we going to find? By using Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, what is its status? Pythagoras theorem, what does it state? Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem state? Hypotenuse square, which is AC square, is equals to side square plus side square, which means AB square plus BC square. AC square, what's the value of AC? It is 17 square is equals to AB square. 15 square plus BC square. So I need to find the value of BC. So let me send this 15 there. Okay. 17 square minus 15 square is equals to BC square. What is the value of 17 square? 17 square is 289 minus what is 15 square? 225 is equals to BC square. Okay. Yes, let me do it here. Okay. 289 minus 225 is 64. 64 is equals to BC square. When square comes to this side, it will become root. Under root 64 is equals to BC. So BC is equals to 8. Okay, we got the value of BC, which is nothing but 8. Okay. So now we need to find cos C. What is the value? What is the value of cos C? How do we get? Cos C is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. Cos C is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. What is the value of opposite? Opposite is 8 by 17. That's it. Okay. That's it. We are done with the sum. Another method. Another method, we are using identities. What is the identity? We have sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay, let me take this theta as C. Okay, let me rewrite it as sine square C plus cos square C is equals to 1. We already knew the value of given sine C is equals to 15 by 17. So I need to get cos square value. Okay, cos C value, right? I need to find cos C value. So rewriting this, how do I write? I want this value, right? Let me keep this here. Cos square C is equals to 1 minus sine square C. Okay, so let me substitute this value. Cos square C is equals to 1 minus sine C value is what? 15 by 17 whole square. Okay, sine C value is 15 by 17. Square is there. I'm just adding a square to it. Okay, 1 minus what is 15 square? 225. What is 17 square? 289. Okay, LCM. 289 minus 225 by 289. What is 289 minus 225? 64 by 289 is equals to cos square C. Right? Now cos C is equals to, this square is there. I'm just bringing to it the right side. It will become root. Under root 64 by 289. What is under root 64? Under root 64 is 8. 289 is 17. We got the value. Okay. Clear? Using the other method is I have used identity. The before method I have used Pythagoras theorem. Now let me give you one sum. You can solve this as homework and you can comment me this answer in the chat box. If tan x is equals to 5 by 12, then find sec x. Okay, sec x. You can use either one method. Okay, then bye bye for today. We'll meet in next class. Take care. Bye bye.